Well, isn't that the point?
Yeah.
Okay, Eli, you gonna go? Go swim in the pool? That's our patio? Come on, Em, go on.
Go jump in the rain. Puddle.
Go,
Whoa.
Eli, go!
Let go. Go.
It's kind of cold.
No, not in the mud, sweetie. Stay on the patio. I know. They won't want to be out there too long. I'm guessing. She's pretty cool. So is he. Is it cold?
Eli, follow Emily, bud.
I love that she's missed so much. She's sick.
This is so fun.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, white boy. Yeah, look at the difference in their complexion. He's like ghost white, and she's a little tan. No, don't drink it.
Oh, that's yucky.
It's not funny.
I have to make sure she gets like 3 towels. One for the floor and one for each of
She's eating broccoli and shivering.
I love the bubble containers floating.
Mm-hmm.